that storm just formed out of nowhere, basically. See a lot of lightning over here, actually. Yeah, I'll keep that there. I try to finagle with this. Didn't even think there was a storm coming either. Oh, that's nice. This is actually one of the more beautiful ones, I have to say. Oh my god, the freaking radio, man. Ooh, that was a nice strike, actually. Oh my god. There we go. It's about to take a shower, and then something. Family told me, oh, I saw lightning. So I'm like, yep. Look on my radar, there's a severe storm over Farmington. I'm seeing the lightning now, so I'm like, yeah, probably good idea not to take a shower. It's beautiful, actually. It's not raining yet. You can still see the clouds. That was a nice one. I'm sure if we saw the bowl, it'd be nicer, but hey, I'm not complaining actually. It's actually beautiful. I'm just playing the weather radio just because I want to filter out any other background noise. Not loud though. Continuous cloud of ground lightning. It's pretty cool. Yeah, okay, so you can kind of tell my exhaust on and off stuff. I'm just getting a hail pouring and a half there, jeez. 9:14 right now. Isolated my ass. I see it right here. Oh, it is an isolated cell, technically. That was a nice one. Oh, I saw a bolt on that one. I got it caught there. I think that's gonna be our thumbnail there. That was cool because you could actually see it grow. No, it's not like today's earlier video where I freaked out 90 times. I think I saw a bit of a bolt there on that one too. Oh, that was another cool bolt there too. That's a nice one. It's already severe warned. Not much else they can do. I think it is hailing though, in like Enfield and such. Sorry about the screen, obviously, you know, the mesh screen, but be safe for doing it. Oh, that was a bolt there too. Be safe for doing it inside, you know, pointing it out the window. You know, it's still not safe being near a window. You should be away from a window in a severe thunderstorm warning. But I love thunderstorms, so I'll do what I want. So like I said, I don't die, you know. Ooh, that was a nice bolt too. This one's got a lot of lightning, very continuous. It's very, guess not one that you really don't see in Massachusetts. One is continuous, two, you're seeing very like growing bolts, you know? That was a nice bolt too. You're getting a lot of bolts too, that's your third thing. It's not even raining yet. It's pretty chill out right now. It's just lightning. Occasional thunder, obviously. A little bit of a bolt on that one. Oh, that one had a bolt there. I can feel the breeze starting to come in. We look at radar, yeah, and it's gonna get a little bright. Sorry about that. Looks like storm is. It looks like a huge hail core over Enfield right now. Or Enfield. Yeah, there's a lot of lightning over Enfield right now. Thanks. It's killing me from looking at it at the same time. Yeah, thank God I didn't take a shower. I'd probably be zzz. This is a really cool storm. Whoa! You see bolts on that one? It was way up. Yeah, I know. That's us. It's got bolts on that one too. I think we're just seeing bolts at this point, which is actually pretty good. I'm not complaining at all. I'm actually happy. Bolt. Nice. And what's weird is we're pointing south-southwest right now on the camera. I guess it's not that weird. Yeah, actually, Enfield's probably about in that direction, actually. In this direction that you're seeing it from. Wow. It's a bolt. Wow. Damn. Ooh, that's a nice bolt. Looked like it went cloud to a cloud. Severe thunderstorm warning for Connecticut, according to Google. Thanks for the half-hour late update, Google. Nice bolt, huh? Nice. This is a nice thunderstorm, alright. Boom. Yeah, I saw a couple bolts there too. We're gonna go to 20 minutes, I think. Mainly because I don't like doing a video over 20 minutes, as well as I kind of want to enjoy it and watch it, you know. I just wanted you guys to see some bolts, you know. And we're getting more than we're only paid for, but hell yeah. I'm not complaining at all. I'm very happy. Enfield's probably not happy. They're probably getting hailed on. That's Connecticut. This is Massachusetts. Prime Massachusetts hospitality. It is. Wow, there is a lot of lightning over Enfield right now. Which we're seeing. Looks like the rain's just starting to move into Massachusetts right now as we speak. Storm's only going 20 miles an hour, so. Trying to see if any lightning strikes to the south. I can see the mothership looking cloud there. Sorry. One more bolt, and then we're gonna stop the video because I wanna, I enjoy filming, but I just wanna enjoy it myself, One more. Better, I want better. That works. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. This is a very, very rare storm. Very nice one, too.